everyone, my name is Ahmed Ali. In this question we have mini beaker. You must know the idea of this color. First of all, this compound is consisting of two parts. The first part is gray and the second part is green, which is a gray part is represented the H positive and the green part is represent the A negative. So these beakers are related to the weak acid. So the green bar is the A negative and the H positive bar is gray. So if we look for the beaker C,